It be? Okay. It looks like a nice sketching brush. Okay. So we're just sketching and seeing where this thing kind of goes. And something there. Oh, the glass kind of goes beyond the helmet a little bit. Interesting design. That white light value there. I don't know. Great for sketching. But is it a painting brush? You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna put it along with the more opaque brushes. Just cause it could be like a charcoal brush too, but you know what? No, I'm gonna put it along with the other rake brush that we have. Right? We'll bring a lighter value and do this. Oh, smart. Yeah, it's so rough, but whatever. Is it accurate? No. That. Not sure what these things are, but you know, just adds a bit of a coolness to it. Yeah, their helmet looks good. This one specifically looks kind of like an egg. Oh, reminds me of another artist named Richard Anderson or Flapchaps. They kind of draw this way a little bit. I mean, it's kind of close. Got like a highlight here. Oh my god, one try, or first try. I'll stop here. It's a good sketch. It's a good sketch, guys. Come on. Okay.